Do you have any fidget spinners?
No. I just sold the last one to that T22.
Are you me? How could you sell that thing to a weak piece of I am the loudest tornado siren in the world, and you don't have any fidget spinners? You moron.
Please. Calm down.
No. You can go yourself. God. Unbelievable.
Games we could play as well.
I know. How about Hangman? I am not a coward.
Playful, stop! You've
1,
eaten
3,
like
5.
50 cookies
You've
already!
like 50 cookies
Actually,
already.
I've eaten like 53
53
and
actually.
Oh my god, I get to with you and the weight loss happened to your paint.
The missile may impact on land or sea within minutes. So take cover now or kiss your goodbye.